What if I told you there's a tropical escape right in the middle of Edsa? For the next 24 hours, we're living the life at Edsa Shangri-La. From an epic buffet to a pool that feels like Boracay. Let's see if this Manila classic is still worth it in 2025. As you arrive, the chaos of the city starts to disappear. Look at this lobby. High ceilings and elegant. We checked in, got our key cards, and looked forward to some rest. Our home for the night, a Horizon Club room. And check out this view. Cozy lounge space. Cocktail and dinner was at the Horizon Lounge, and their food is good. They've got fresh seafood, Asian favorites, lechon kawali, and dessert section that's basically a sugar paradise. After dinner, we went to the pool, took a quick dip, then headed to the spa for sauna and jacuzzi. Tea and cookies, the perfect way to end the night. The next morning, breakfast here is another feast. Honestly, the breakfast alone makes the stay worth it. 24 hours later, and Edsa Shangri-La proves why it's still one of the best staycation spots in Manila. The rooms are a bit old, but overall the service is just excellent. It's not just about the room or the pool, it's the experience of escaping the city without ever leaving it. Would you book a stay here? Comment below your favorite part of this staycation. And if you love videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure.